Efficient data navigation is essential in business reports to provide key insights without hassle. As reports become more detailed, switching between multiple pages manually can be time-consuming and inefficient. Power BI's Page Navigator solves this challenge by automatically generating navigation buttons, allowing users to move between different report sections effortlessly. This feature enhances interactivity, eliminates the need for manual button creation, and improves the overall user experience. Now, let's see this in action with the Project Analysis dashboard. At the bottom of the screen, we have the Page Navigator, which provides quick access to key sections like Summary, Portfolio, Programs, Projects, Customer, Task, Milestone, and Timeline. With just a click, users can navigate through different aspects of project management, from tracking total sales and customer data to monitoring project progress and milestones. This streamlined approach ensures that decision-makers can quickly find the insights they need without unnecessary navigation efforts. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.